Hey guys, I'm showing you this alarm clock. This is a portable table clock, digital, and you can see like comes in a nice box. Let's unbox it and see what's going on. So this is the wooden shade alarm clock with some accessories. The manual is the power adapter, USB cable. So this power adapter is 240 watt, so it can be used anywhere. 120 to this. So this is the clock itself. So this is a nice steady table clock, and this was the volume control buttons up and down. This one is for the battery. This is for the USB to charge your mobile. This is again the other thing for the alarm. So there is the clock set button, alarm clock set button. Then there is a battery, like a button battery in the back to save this time. So this time settlement or the setting the time is pretty straightforward. Just press the button. The other good thing is this have the USB, so you can charge your mobile while this is on your table. So this one is really nice, and then the setting is straightforward as you can see it here. The snooze button is big snooze button on the top, and then it's steady on the table itself. So these are all the controls. Loud alarm. This is the manual that comes with it, but the function itself is straightforward. This is how it looks on the table.